On today's episode, we're doing FLAN. These are our ingredients: sugar, water, eggs, vanilla, condensed milk, evaporated milk, vanilla bean, and cream cheese. Stay tuned. So let's get started. First, we're gonna need to put this water to boil. We're gonna measure out a cup of sugar. So we're gonna add a cup of sugar to the pot. And we're going to add half a cup of water. So we're gonna let this come up to a light simmer and then let Ladies and gentlemen, follow this recipe exactly how it is, and I promise you, you're gonna get the best results. Evaporated milk. 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, so we're gonna take all the inside of the vanilla bean, scrape it, and put it in our mixture. Then we add 1 whole block of Philadelphia cream cheese, or whatever cream cheese you find in your supermarket. Cover and blend on low. Once all your ingredients are blended together, we're gonna go into our freezer and grab our caramel.